So you're asking yourself what you're thinking, and you're asking, yes, I make a new video, but recently the voices of the characters of CartoonMania to the secrets of computer viruses. So that's not assist. Well, I make myself. Well, it's a part two because it's antivirus. I mean, the Virusaurus Rex wants revenge because that. But that was not that was not a dinosaur virus after all. We found out it's a human thing called antivirus. I make an idea what it looks like. So I don't know how the story was there recently. So that was I'm gonna think recently. I don't know. But anyways, I make a voices of me myself. And yeah, before that begins, make sure to subscribe my channel and put a like and comment below what you think. So yeah. Also, you can make well, I gotta talk later. So yeah, enjoy. It's been years I'm strapping here in the Earth. Supposed to be a virus eliminate, but instead still alive. My story, I can't remember it. But instead that, I want revenge. Because Matthew played a game hide and seek. Because I was a trap. Because I think he thinks I am a monster. And everything I don't, I turn it from a monster, dinosaur, Virusaurus Rex. That is me. I was tired, hungry, and want revenge. And this is the last thing I do. But now on, this is my time. Well, I can breathe again. I can have a nose. Well, little more. My little friend depended me. Hide and seek. I'm not playing this time, little more. You were prey. Oh, don't lie to me, you liar, hide and seeker. You think you can track me now? You gonna die soon. And what if I do? I sure have a crystal. And then, huh? And who are you? A kid virus? You're not as special? You be an accident. How dare you to punch me in the antivirus that was me? You will pay for that. Is that what you got, you dirty thing? Face it now. No! This is not over for you. When I get the crystal, I kill you. Now, I was 5 am. Where are you? Really close. Well. It's an answer to the King virus you talking about. I heard about you and the crystal. Well, sorry to say this, but I could do this. Easy. There he is. The crystal virus. It's mine now. You! I knew that's gonna happen. Alright, you wanna fight a virus? Well, there we go. Let's fight! Too easy. Now, it belongs to... Kid, I was trying to helping you and protect the crystal. Here, I helping you. Don't ask, kid. I helping you for recently. You wanna know what happened? Well, this story's way long. I was a kid. I was wait. I can't remember. But I remember something. When I met your friend Matthew, I was my best friend. Ever since he was blaming me, and always be the thing. But one day, I will find out something. I want to be stronger, faster, and yeah. So instead, the lab of Joe thing. Well, instead of that, you have a bug, and instead of that, he threw me a love of virus. But that's now because everybody thought of me. Everybody. But I can't help it. So I tell him I'm a monster. But before that, he thought of me because I'm a monster. But instead of that, ever since thought of me and myself, I was really tired and angry. Instead, he belonged a monster, a Virusaurus Rex, and yeah. And then Matthew was right. Matthew thinks right. I am a monster. But instead of that, I will play hide and seek the one time. But one day, he was tricked me. So instead of that, I was hungry for recently. So that's what happened, kid. Just leave me alone, and that's it. What? What do you mean? Manners? I guess you're right, kid. Alright. Let's defeat King Virus. Wait, how are you gonna do that, Purple Virus? King Virus! You monster! No. Stay back!
You sting vector side.
Did we win? Oh no. Oh. This is all my fault before that. I never knew him. Virusaurus! Thank you. For all you helped me. Wait. Maybe I am the King Virus. I should go. I found out who I am now. I control myself now. See you, friend. See you, Victor. See you soon, friends. Kid, you're not safe in there. I'll get back to you right now, the virus town. Oh, sorry. My name is... Hey, stay back here, you human danger. That poor virus you have is not belonging to here. It belongs to virus town, you human danger monster. Stay back! I said stay back. Ow, that hurt. Yeah, I'm a virus. I know, I'm a virus too, but I'm a different one, okay? Okay, allow me to explain that situation and what happened. Exactly. A virus town is supposed to be humans, just like humans, but instead, computer viruses. Computer viruses are supposed to be their family sometimes, but sometimes computer viruses are not nice. Instead, you call it a jail virus. It's supposed to be a bad virus. Instead of that, the bad virus is really what he done. So, yeah. That's, okay, whatever. But look, kid, what's your name? Victor Virus. Well, actually, your name is 010 till 542. That's a good call as names. We don't have names like the words like that. So the numbered words. Yup. So yeah. Oh, that's a good question, kid. You see, you're a kid, right? But instead of that, you have the skin virus. Oh yeah, the skin virus. Yeah, I forget. Skin virus is supposed to be you're inside him instead like a costume, but inside you're into your real skin and inside your real body inside you. You're not get it. Well, I can't even remember, but I think of myself. Well, that rampage stuff there recently, like, and yep, recently. So that's where the original skin virus is really scared. So you have no choice to choose you to recently don't happen again. So instead, this is your life now. This exactly. That's why I said. But kid, you not belong as here. You belong at the virus town, not the humans. Well, the humans are not good after all. They're not good of the viruses. But kid, you have to go right now. I guess you could stay then. And well, I had to go. What was that? It said that. Come on, kid. Escape right now. Kid, listen, you gotta come with me and your girlfriend sheep thing. Okay, that I'm sorry, but a virus and a sheep doesn't make sense. Okay. Well, okay, whatever. You're going with me too. All right. Also, this is gonna be really crazy. Woohoo! Virus Town, here I come again. That was awesome. I'll try again one day. Excuse me. No problem, kid. We must go right now. Well, not a city. No, not boiling. No, not rocks, not humans. No. There's only one virus. So yeah. So this is a long day to go then. So like a 1 hour. You know that. Okay, maybe you confused how I talking about, but let's go. Shh. You hear that? Creature viruses. Creatures are monsters, like it ruins Gugupiru's lives. Instead of that, you will be quiet. Let's go right now. Hey, you monster! Say that! Now stay back where you come from, you thing! Sorry. Sometimes creature viruses eat computer viruses. You know that. Well, it's most late. We are gonna sleep. Well, I can't believe it. I have to do this adventure. Well, oh, my name. I forgot. I'm really sorry. I forget that all along name of situation. My name is Glitchy. Yes, Glitchy Virus. Well, they call me Glitchy because the glitch. Just watch. Yeah, that's a long name. I forgot that name. Glitchy. But they call me 913 or call me Glitchy, you want. Well, I was a kid. They call me weirder because of Glitch. That fun of me because I'm a freak virus. Well, now I found you. Instead of that, you're a virus too, just like the others. You're not the only one. In fact, they're always virus and the whole time. Well, I think so, but look, Victor. Maybe you don't understand what I talk about, but maybe soon we'll find out. Forget it. Forget what I said, alright? Good night, Victor. Alright, wake up, you two. It's time to... Huh? How weird. I never see how, it's moving. Creature virus. Stay back. I got this. Oh, I'm really sorry. I thought you were a Glitchy Virus. Oh, I'm really, I'm really sorry. Wait, you're not this virus? Wait, a brother? I don't know you have a brother. Well, you're not like much in your faces, but wait, what's his name? Pily Virus? I mean, Pily Virus is, Glitchy Virus. Pily Virus, I call you? Pily Virus, right. I a different name. Alright, okay, you Pily friend, right? Look, we come to our adventure, and the adventure, no, the adventure, no, the adventure, forget it, I said, but we have to go to Virus Town. Let's go. Here he is, Virus Town. Home sweet home. Hey everybody, I'm back, and I found the virus kid. Well, that's a long, really long day. So that was one day. Oh, King Virus. Oh, King Virus is supposed to be the king of the town. Victor, I think you're not noticed it, but good luck, Victor. I hope. Hey, Victor, what's wrong? What's a long face? Hey, don't cry. But look, it's okay now. Look, I know you miss your friend and the human thing, and this weird cartoon called cartoons. But you find out you're a cartoon too. But inside, like a virus. Like a cartoon and a virus, complete that thing. But look at the right side. Maybe you home right now. But look, soon you're gonna be just like home. The Virus Town is your home. I hope. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, guys, knock it off, guys. Let's be friendly. What's really cool, and yeah, they're not friendly after all. I told you that before. Yeah, I forget that. All right, wait, what's that? Wait, that's the anti-guy you told me to? Oh, I really see right now. Because that virus called 02 is from a recently transformed, touched the crystal virus. Instead of that, you transform a monster virus. Instead of that, you listen recently, that's what happens. So that's why I'm familiar. Victor, wait! Oh no. Okay, you stay there. I gotta help him. You two stay. Victor! Oh no, what did I do? What are you gonna do? Oh, thank God. Okay, first of all, we gotta help you to back to the human town. I have this. Yep, I'm sorry about that. But instead of that, we go into the human town again to stop Glitchy Virus for recently. Hey, you Kim dumb guy! You want for me? Or Victor? Well, you get it to humans instead of virus, you freak. Haha, Glitchy Virus is lame. Is that what you got? But I guess that hurt. Ow. Ow. Oh no. We're gonna die. We're gonna die! Wow. I really found out what happens. That you turn a monster instead of a dinosaur thing. Call that? Well, okay, I guess. Hey, King Virus! You no longer be the king anymore of the town. Yes, Anti, we defeat King Virus. He's gone. I think Victor's sacrifice to make the power gave him antivirus. So instead of that, and then, yes, he's gone now. Matthew, right? There's nothing we could do. Now he's just gone now. That's okay, Anti. I feel your feeling, so that's what happens. I'm really sorry. What happened? Guys, stop it. It's not a joke. What? Victor? It's alive, but somehow... Victor, you're alive! Phew. I hope you die. Oh, thank God. Oh, that was so scary. Don't do it again, swear to God. That's not make sense, but okay, but I have to say this. Who's gonna be the king now? Is the king virus gone now? Wait, you and Ty? Alright then. Well, looks like you have a new king for recently. Come on, viruses, you know that the virus town is really everyday. Come on. Yeah, Victor. I'm gonna miss you, man. Well, I think we gonna see you soon in the future, I guess. So long, friends. Tim! I'm really angry. Exactly. He stole my girl, so I want revenge. I want to kill him. Well, it's my brother, so I don't want to kill him, but I have no choice. For what? Yeah, right. Look, I'm not worried of him, and that's it. Huh? What was that? That's made me idea. Hey, you! Ow! Ow! Hey! Be careful! Yeah, we're not brothers. We're not like, different. You know that. Okay, weirdo. Hey, don't touch me! Ugh. Who is it now? So, maybe you... whatever. Yes. Oh no! Damn it. Nothing. Great. We're gonna feed him and that's it? Well, I just think myself. Haha, you not gonna catch us. This is what you get while my brother did it. This is what you miss with him. Oh, that hurt. I can feel the laugh of them, my brother. I love him and... I bet you're dead! Oh, that made me angry! How did you... Get away from me! Tim, I swear to God, the happy you had the happy ending for me. Because I don't have a show or a movie. Maybe the future or something. Maybe the future. What is it, Pily? Let me guess, you are revenge your brother because he stole your girl, right? Pily, it's your brother. What is wrong with you? Why is always me this one, this situation? Look, Pily, I hope you have your brother in this situation. And yeah, that's it. Alright, so it's your brother. I guess you have to be nice someday. Pily, where you going? Pily! Ah, crap. Now what? Holy crap, that's a big monster. Pily, calm down. See, I told you. Pily, come on, stop. Hello, Virus Town! It's me, King Virus! It's like to see you again in view of the town of Virus. Safe at last! And who is this kid? Oh, Victor. How weird name is. The humans? You're born. How did you get what? No, guys, it's okay. Calm down. Kiddo, you know why the humans not like after all? Now, I'll show you this. Follow me. You see, the humans are dangerous, and you're why hoping? Because my great-grandfather and my great-great-grandfather and my great-great-great-great-grandfather said the humans are monsters. They're dangerous. They're evil, I think. You know what, Jack? What happens to the virus he do this? Maybe show you. So that's why. Well, I think you now learned your lesson after all, do you? Oh, good, because you never come from again the human town again. Never! Now, kid, leave. Now. And also, welcome to your new home of the virus town. I can't believe that kid is really. You know who deals it? I know, I'm the Glitchy Virus. I know I hate this virus and... okay, maybe a little bit, sometimes. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Hello, Chimpo, here you food. Oh, I don't hate him. For now on. Don't mention it. Besides, he was before. I hope he's not gonna eat me. You guess you're right, Roik. Wait. Come, Curry! Whatever your name, follow me! Where's the contract? Oh yeah. 0011252553. Ah, the crystal virus. At last, I can feel the power of the spirit of the mighty monster virus. Oh, easy. I'm gonna destroy Virus Town, and then the human town too. I take all the human town and the world. Oh, there is the plan. Oh, well, maybe you must be antivirus. I say you're not allowed in Virus Town ever again. Do you? Oh no, wait, oh no, the crystal, no. Well, isn't this the Victor thing? Yeah, whatever. Huh? Oh, I'm to mention it. I hate you, and I hate virus and humans. I hate everything at the same time. They ruin my life. You see, I was a romovirus. They're fond of me because I'm a freak blue. Instead of that, I feel the humans are there recently. Instead of that made me idea to take all the things. Well, that was before that version of Victor thing. And for you, instead I had plans ideas. Before the crystal monster he makes before, you belong to you recently the mighty monster. You belong to the birth thing. Instead of crystal, that make me super idea to take all the human town and the virus town too. I waited too long for this. Enjoy entertainment, Brad. Oh, there he is. Yes! Now I can feel the power. And I'm tired, and your people do the virus everything he does. Well, you will. You are nothing. Oh, let's also mention it. You are an accident. Accident, get it? What the?
Dinosaur guy. What are you? How dare you do that?
Poop. Oh no, this is gonna hurt. Oh. No, no, that was so close. Oh, I will. What? No, not the trap virus. No, I can change. I can change the things. Don't leave me the trap. No. Whoa. Oh. I gotta catch that kid virus. It's the last thing I do. Huh? Hey, Curly, Chimby, my pet. Oh, not fed you yet, huh? Are you still hungry? I brought you food and, oh boy. Ah! No, bad thing, bad creature virus. Oh, crazy, oh, what you are? No, stop. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Also, that was a long one, so I forgot that part in intro. Yeah. Okay. But that's now because you make your character look a virus, and you can do your voice instead of that. For a part two, but well, it's not gonna assist. That's not assist. Okay, but you can do your voice. Part two. You know that. You can make your character virus or something else, but that's it. And you can do your voice how it feels like a voice. And yeah, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, yeah, that's it. So yeah.